Oh my God, no. Have you guys seen this viral TikTok? Apparently, if you smother your face in setting powder and then put a damp cloth on it, it makes it not move. Let's try this out. I'm gonna try it on one side of my face and see if it actually works. So I'm gonna grab my setting powder and I'm gonna first start by applying it here. Okay, that's not enough. We're gonna dip it in there. We're gonna get a lot of this. Oh, there we go. Oh. I'm gonna do the forehead as well. And after you've covered your face in baking powder, start pressing it in. Basically until it almost disappears. I'm gonna grab a damp cloth and just press it into my skin. It looks more natural, like I'm not actually wearing makeup versus this side where you can actually see the makeup. Okay, so let's put this to the test. Let's grab a clean tissue and wipe the face. Yeah. Okay, let's try the other side. Oh yeah, huge difference. My makeup did move on this side without being set, but this side didn't move at all.